what's up? It is Brandy Chanell. If you're new to my channel, here on this channel, we talk about everything from hair to fashion to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter. Alright guys, so today's video is part 2 of a series about my fitness watch. I have a Garmin Vivo Active 3. I purchased it almost a year to date, like within this coming week. I believe it was like mid-May, whatever. When I'm recording this video, I should say. And I absolutely love this Garmin watch. I love it so much more than my Apple Watch, so much so I did a video on it, and I'll leave it in the iCard above with the rest of the videos in this series if you're watching after I've recorded those videos. So I'm going to talk to you guys today. I'm just doing a little intro to talk to you guys about how my training for 5K is going. I am not a runner. I am not going to say that I'm ever going to be a runner, but I do love running because it is a good all over body exercise, get your cardio in, and then I'm just done for the day. So this video is on weeks 1 through 4. I have finally decided on a race that I'm going to do. I hope you guys enjoy these clips throughout my 1st to 4th week of training for a 5K. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. It really helps me out a lot. All right, let's get on to the video.
All right guys, so here is the schedule for the benchmark run. First run down. Woohoo! Looking rough, but we're week 2, day 2. One more workout this week. This was a different workout today. This one was what was it? It was walk 5 minutes briskly, run 2 minutes straight, and then walk 5 minutes briskly, and do that 3 times. So that was different than the last couple times, all last week and then yesterday. So yeah, it's pretty hard today. All right guys, it is week 3 of running, and let me show you my schedule for today. Same as it was the last day of last week. So it's going to be walk for 5 minutes, run 2 minutes consistently, and then cool down. So what I'll do is I'll walk for 5 minutes, run 2 minutes, and do these 2 things 3 times, and then I'll do the cool down. All right, so let's get it. We go 23:05. Day 1, week 3. It wasn't too terribly bad. The pollen is just horrible, so like my throat sounds scratchy, but yeah, not too bad. I tried to keep a steady pace the entire time, not run too fast, so I wasn't out of breath. But yeah, it's been good so far. I guess I finished my last day of week 3. Today's Saturday when you're watching this, or not when you're watching this, when I'm recording this. And today I hit a new record, 13:27 first mile. Like I said, I've never ran before, so that's good, girl. Okay, like, you know, legit training to run and all that stuff. Oh, I need to show you. Let me show you my stuff. Hang on just a second. All right, so today's average pace 14:03, best 10:27. My heart rate wasn't as high as it was yesterday, or the last one. When was that? Thursday. And let's see what else I got for you. Yeah, so here's all the data for today. Apparently I crushed it today, so next time you'll see me, it'll be week 4. I can't even talk. Alright, I think today was my last day of walk 5, run 5, repeat 3 times. Whew, that was tough. Today's the last day of week 4. So, yesterday, or Thursday, I hit 2 milestones, or 2 records. One for a faster mile, I'll have to put it on the screen. And for the longest distance, so the total workout was 2.33 miles, coming from someone who doesn't run at all. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed these little snippets. See, I got 30 seconds left in my cool down. Heart rate's 164. Oh, that was tough today. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next set of weekly running vlogs. 4 more weeks left, and then I have a 5K, a virtual 5K. I have to do it between any day in May, so I'm probably gonna push it towards the end of May because my training isn't over until the 15th of May, so that'll be my last week of training. And then my race could be anytime after that. And it's a virtual race, and it's for ovarian, it's called Till Diva, and it's for ovarian cancer and other gynecological cancers. So ladies, make sure you go get your exams and all that, and if anything's wrong, you know, talk to your doctor and all that jazz. Keep pushing it, because it's up to us to take care of ourselves, you know what I'm saying? All right, catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed those video clips of my weeks 1 through 4 with my Garmin coach. And don't forget to check out the other videos. They'll be upcoming or they're already out. So check those out, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Catch you later. Bye.